Hey there, I'm Dr. Ali Bazazi, medical doctor, and today we will be talking about IVF cycles and the breaks between you should take between them. IVF has helped a lot of people, but like all medical procedures, sometimes it doesn't work out. According to statistics, the success rate of a live birth is around 55% for those under 35 and 40% for those aged 35 to 37. In this video, we will answer some common questions like how many cycles you can do in a row, how far apart they should be, and how long you need to wait after a failed cycle. It's natural to wonder how many IVF cycles you will need. More cycles can mean higher chance of conceiving, but there is a limit. Studies suggest that 3 rounds are the ideal number of IVF efforts, considering the financial, mental, and physical burden of back-to-back IVF cycles. If you have gone through 4 failed cycles, most specialists wouldn't recommend continuing. You shouldn't start another IVF cycle without having a menstrual cycle first. For most women, this means waiting 4 to 6 weeks after a failed cycle. Taking a break between transfer is a good idea, and it can help you emotionally and physically. Fertility journey can be tough, so give yourself some time to acquire physical and mental preparation. Sometimes IVF fails because the embryo doesn't implant. This can happen if there are problems with the embryo or the uterus. Often genetic defects in the embryo cause them to stop developing and not implant. In many cases, chromosomal or other genetic defects in the embryos make them too weak to proceed with normal development and sustain implantation. After a negative IVF, make sure your fertility doctor evaluates any issue to improve your chance for the next cycle. You should know that in IVF procedure, patience is the key. Rushing through cycles can tire you out and lower your chance of a successful pregnancy. IVF can be a challenging journey, and a failed cycle can be tough to deal with. But remember that success rate goes up with each additional cycle. With determination and the right plan, your chance of a successful pregnancy through IVF can grow. TebMedTourism can help you in your IVF journey by providing you the best fertility experts and embryologists. We will be beside you till you successfully conceive and safely deliver your lovely baby. If you have any question about this process in Iran, don't hesitate to contact our consultant. We hope that you have gained a better understanding of the IVF cycle and feel more confident in starting and following your treatment. Thank you for watching.